I think four things are so important to every girl. The first one being looking good. And why not? Once you're dressed up well, your hair is right, your makeup's in place, you actually feel so confident. You look forward to meeting people. And on the contrary, if you're not appropriately dressed, then sometimes it can leave a very wrong message with people. I used to pull back my hair, and the feedback that I got from my friends was that I seemed very unapproachable, I seemed like an introvert, and not very friendly. Well, that was the last thing I wanted people to think of me. So there came in the expert. I took advice and suggestion from an image consultant, and she suggested I change my hairstyle. And I'm going to show you the before and after. Can you see how much difference it has made just by changing my hairstyle? My face looks softened. I come across as a more approachable, more friendly person, and I also look a lot younger. So, that is how an image consultant can help us. I think the second thing that's really important to every woman is a clean and organized home. Imagine a spick and span house, a kitchen that is well organized. You know where what is, everything is clean, you can see things clearly. However, our love for shopping sometimes leaves us with so much stuff that we don't even require. And then sometimes you're not even able to find what you were actually looking for because there's so much clutter. So that is where our home organizing experts can come to your aid. They can really help you organize your home and kitchen better. The third thing, which is so close to every woman's heart, is having a loving relationship with a husband. And somewhere, in taking care of the children, in running after our career goals, we forget to nurture each other. And that is where I can give you some practical tools and tips as to how to rekindle that love, that affection back into your relationships. And the fourth and the most important thing, which I feel is a necessity today, is meditation. We as women today are playing so many roles: a wife, a mother, an entrepreneur, an employee. And to do justice to all of those roles, it is so important to start your day with at least 10-15 minutes of meditation. Why? Because meditation is going to give you peace of mind. And anything that you do from the place of peace is going to happen correctly. So, ladies, everything you want, everything that you value, I'm bringing it for you on a platter. So do not wait. Go ahead, register for my upcoming workshop, Women Reclaim Your Superpowers. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of learning, and you're going to meet so many more new people. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you there.